Here we have a Polaris watercraft 1200 carbureted or fuel injected engine, less the heads. All you gotta do is put your heads on. Whether you have a carb or a fuel injected, they're the same. Cylinder's the same, case is the same, the crank is the same. Pistons are great, cylinder walls are great, no scoring on any of the pistons. We're gonna take the oil pump, the stator, and the flywheel off, and basically just sell you a mid-block. And there we can see rods going up and down. We'll walk over the other side, show you some pistons. There's the center cylinder. We'll go back over here to mag side and PTO side. As you can see, there's no wear anywhere. Rings are good. Everything is good. No holes in any of the cases. Just gonna hook the jump pack up to it, show you that it goes round and around and around. That's good. If you'd like to buy this motor, give us a call. 218-844-4968, mardosmotorsports.com.